In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 20% off or more coupon for Bed Bath & Beyond. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device, and now I'm going to type in the Google search bar 20% off coupon for Bed Bath & Beyond. Alright, I've typed in 20% off Bed Bath & Beyond. So from here, you can check out all these third-party websites. You got RealTimeMeNot 50% off. You got coupons.com, 50% off in June, coupon follow, etc. So to activate any one of these offers, simply click into the third-party website. Well, I can't use coupons.com because I'm outside America. So I'm going to use RealTimeMeNot. And now, because it is 20% off, so you got all these deals here. So just scroll down, and here's the 20% off. So 20% off a single item with email sign up. So if you want to activate this offer, it works for all offers. Simply click onto it, and now it'll take me back to Bed Bath & Beyond to activate that offer. So as you can see here, sign up and save. So unlock the exclusive offers below, plus get a 20% off coupon sent right to your inbox. So put in your email address, click on sign up, and then you'll get a coupon code sent to your email address. And then when you shop at Bed Bath & Beyond and make a purchase, look for where it says enter promo or discount code, and then put in that code you got from Bed Bath & Beyond to activate the 20% off.